Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana here. Today I have another simple and easy video tutorial for you all. If you want to paint something for your walls and something to gift, something handmade, and you don't know how to paint, then this is the perfect video to start with. And for this you just need some tools, stencil, colors, and that's it. So here you can see, to start my project, first I have to build the background, and for that I used metallic colors. These colors are about to dry out, so I thought why not to utilize it. And I just take random colors and spread it using a plastic piece, but you can also use cardboard piece or old credit card for this process. And trust me guys, this technique creates very wonderful texture on the project. Once I'm happy with my background, then next I wanted to create some layers on it. So I took this background stamp and stamped little bit here and there. So you can see I'm not covering entire background, just little bit here and there. And also distress the edges using black acrylic paint. And since I have used metallic paints to create my background, and this background is looking way too shimmery than I wanted it to be, so I went ahead and sprayed some black paint and also diluted it with some water and tilted my project so that I can get even layer of this or even shading of this black paint. After everything dries completely, I was not happy with the effect, so I just went ahead and used a stencil to add more layers on my project. So here I took a brick stencil and sponge dauber, and using sponge dauber I am just applying black acrylic paint on it, just to add more interest and just to enhance the look of the background. Okay, so here I just wanted to tell you guys, to create art you don't have to follow any rules. In fact, there are no rules in art. It just you have to enjoy the process. So whatever you are creating, you just need to trust the process. And for this project I have decided to use this cute owl stencil as a focal, and I wanted it to be in dimensional look. So for that I have used a stencil and texture paste. And here to enhance the beauty of the focal point, I have added black color outline, and I also later on I also added a little bit of black color shading around it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Do check out other hop participants videos as well. All the links are in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, then do subscribe for more video tutorials. Also, don't forget to join me on my other social media platforms. All the links are in the description box below. I will be back with another video soon. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy creating.